Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Air Fryer Recipes 101. And I want to say thank you so much to all my new subscribers. This is a new channel I started, and it's hard to get a new channel going. So if you haven't already subscribed, go down below, hit that red subscribe and the little bell next to it till it says all, and that's it. You won't miss any of my future videos. Also, a big thank you for everyone that came over from my other channel, the Baking Diva, to support me. I have the link in the description box if you want to go over and take a look there. Well, you all know that the 101 in my channel name stands for beginners. And this channel is for those that have an air fryer, are learning how to use it, maybe don't have an air fryer yet and want to get one. Christmas is right around the corner. I was in, Walmart the other day. They had a big sale on all these air fryers. So anyway, enough blabbing. I think I'm gonna get started. Well, last night I made what I'm calling bacon wrapped pineapple. Oh, let me tell you, they were delicious. Everyone in my house loved them, right?
Right.
They sound like a bunch of sick cows. But anyway, they were a big hit. So I thought, well, I want to make them for you today. They're so simple. They're a great appetizer or hors d'oeuvre with the holidays coming up. I'm making them now, and I plan on eating them as soon as this video is over. So anyway, what do you say we get started? And I will have the recipe down below in the description box for you. So what do we need? Well, obviously we need an air fryer. So I have my air fryer here. And just to show you, this is the basket of my air fryer. And I did spray the inside of the basket with a little bit of olive oil. I like to spray it with either olive oil or avocado oil. So we're going to need some pineapples, and I have some pineapple chunks here in my bowl. Now you can use either fresh pineapple or canned pineapple. It doesn't matter. They both work very well. And next we're going to need bacon. So I have my slab of bacon down here on my cutting board, and we're going to need some toothpicks. So the first thing we're going to do is take our knife, and I'm going to cut this bacon in half because we don't need the strips to be that long. So let me cut this in half. There we go. So you want your bacon strips to be probably about that long. All right. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take a chunk of your pineapple, and we're going to take our slice of bacon. Can you see this down here, cameraman? And I'm going to wrap my piece of bacon around my piece of pineapple, just like this. Now we're going to need toothpicks, that's why we have those. Let me get this tighter, to secure the ends of the bacon on the pineapple. You can use 1 or 2 toothpicks, whichever you prefer. So for now, I'm going to put 2 of them in here. Alrighty. So here you have your pineapple wrapped up in your piece of bacon. So let me do another one for you. Here's the piece of pineapple. I'm using fresh pineapple today. I'm going to take my bacon slice, and here I go. I'm going to wrap it around the pineapple. And then I'm going to take my toothpick and put one on this end and one on this end. You can use 1 or 2 toothpicks. It doesn't matter. And this is the way you want it to look. So let me do one more, and then I'm going to continue doing these off camera. And when I'm all done, look at this one. This is a bigger piece of pineapple. This one wrapped beautifully. I'm going to put my toothpicks in the end to hold the bacon onto the pineapple. And as soon as I get all of these pineapple chunks wrapped with bacon, I'll be right back, so don't go away. see, I wrapped all the pineapple chunks in the slice of bacon, and I secured the ends with 2 toothpicks. So now what I'm going to do is put them into my air fryer. So let me put these down and swing over here. I'll turn this a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. What you want to do is, first of all, now this is on my Ninja. You know, yours may work differently. But the first thing you're going to do is hit air fry. And the zeros will come up because you're air frying. Then we're going to put it on the temperature. Now I'm going to put these in the air fryer at 400 degrees. So there you can see 400 degrees up here is blinking. Now I'm going to head over here for the time. Now it comes up on mine automatically 20. But I want to cook these about 10 or 11 minutes. But then I'm going to stop the air fryer, take the basket out halfway through, and I'm going to turn them. So right now I'm going to put this on. I'm going to put it on 10 minutes, and then I'm going to put these in my air fryer. Now, when you put them in the basket, you want to leave a little bit of space between them. They really shouldn't be touching. So I'm going to put them in. If I can't hold this up, I'll take a still so I can show you how they are in the air basket. I'm not sure how many I'm going to be able to fit in here. It doesn't matter. I can do it twice. Let's see. Alrighty. Couple more in. Because air fryers, you know, they have air coming up and then they have heat. So you want to give them enough room in there for the air and the, you know, to circulate. So I think I can get another one in there. Pull this up if I can, so you can get a little bit of a look of how many I have in the air fryer. Can you see that, cameraman? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. And I have in there, I'm going to say, about 10. So I'm going to put them in the air fryer now. I'm going to slide my basket in here. I have it on 10 minutes. At 5 minutes, I'm going to stop the basket. I'm going to check them. I'm going to take my tongs and I'm going to turn them a little bit. And then I'll cook them on another 5 minutes. And then I'll see if they're done. So let me press the on. And it starts. You see how easy this is? I mean, really, I know I keep saying this, but I am obsessed with my air fryer. I've been making so many things, and I have so many more things that I want to make in it, and I want to share them all with you. So stay tuned till we see how they're doing. Be back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, I'm going to pause this, and I'm going to take the basket out. Oh, they're sizzling in there. And what I'm going to do is take these tongs and I'm going to turn them over a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them back in for another 5 minutes and see if they're done. You want your bacon to be nice and crispy and cooked. And boy, they do smell good. Now I will tell you that if you've checked the price of meat lately, you will see, or you already know, it's very expensive. Now, the cameraman went to the store for me, and he bought this bacon. Now, cameraman, how much did you pay for the package of bacon?
$10.
Now, $10 for a package of bacon? That's nuts.
It's very good bacon.
I know, but it's nothing out of the ordinary. See how I'm turning these over? So I would suggest, if you want to make these, look for your bacon when it's on sale. Save yourself a few dollars. All right, let me just turn a couple more over. Got to be gentle with them. Now I'm going to put this back in for another 5 minutes, and then after that, we'll see if they're done. So here we go. Press start. And I'll be back in 5 minutes so we can see if they're ready. Oh, the countdown. Let me see. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, basket out now. Now I should remember to tell you that everybody's air fryer is different. So you might want to take your basket out, periodically, just to check it, because maybe yours cooks faster than mine. You don't want to burn it. So let me see how these did. Oh, sizzling. Oh, looking good. Now it depends on how crispy you want your bacon. This is looking really good. But you know what? I'm going to put it in for 1 more minute because I think I like mine very crispy. So air fry, 400, and I'll go all the way down here. To 1 minute and turn it on. So I hope you're all doing well. Is everyone ready for Thanksgiving? It'll be here before you know it. It's right around the corner. I'm not hosting, my daughter's hosting, but I'm bringing some side dishes and desserts over there for her. Hungry, that bacon smells so good. Oh yeah, let's see. That looks good. Let me hold one up for you. Look at that. Sizzling away. I think they're done. Let me check. Whoopsie. Hey guys, do you want your super well done or not? Hello?
Regular? Normal?
Regular, they tell me. Let me see. Oh, look at that. I think they're done. I mean, I don't know. I prefer crispy bacon. And these are crispy, but do we want them crispier? No, they say? All right. Well, I think they're all done. Here's a little look at what they look like in the basket before I take them out. Brownie, our dog, smells the bacon. So now she is barking because she wants one too. So let me plate these and I'll be back and we'll do a taste testing. All right, so I took the first batch out of the air fryer. They look and smell delicious. They're very, very hot. So I'm going to try to do a little taste testing now on one of them. Oh, there's my little piece of bacon. Crispy, just the way I like it. Get my toothpicks out. I think it's gonna be hot though. Very hot, but let me tell you, these are so delicious. They are like you grilled a sweet pineapple and then you have that savory, salty bacon on it, and that combination of sweet and salty. I'm telling you, they are delicious, and you saw how easy they were to make. So give them a try, and if you make them, let me know what you think. I think you're gonna love them. So for now, have a great week. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon. Love you. Toodles!